always talking technicals. Catch Rajat Bose and ck.narayan every weekday between 11 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. only on ET Now. Always thinking markets.
How the market mood is looking like. Joining us is Dr. C.K.Narayan of Growth Avenue Asset Advisors and Sandeep Wagle of Aptat Technical Advisory Services. Gentlemen, thanks so much for joining in. Dr. Narayan, what's the sense? This week, almost every single day, signal weakness. You think we pretty much for that bout of weakness to continue next week as well?
Well, early part of next week should certainly give us an indication of how the whole thing will pan out, because we have actually dropped down into the first of the support zones, right? We had defined that as per the charts at about 52.60 to 80, where there was this yawning gap which the market had left on its way up. And very beautifully it has actually moved down into that zone and staged a reasonably decent bounce, which took up the index today till about 53.20.25. It's not something very very robust, but not too bad either. But then it spoiled the whole show by going down towards the end of the day and closing weak for the entire week as such. So the weekly candle as a whole has not really shaped up very well. So I think it's a little here and there at 52.80, 5300. We are at the precipice. If we do not really quickly find our feet here, there is a danger of falling further till about 51.50 levels. But if we do strive to hold on to the support, and if we are able to make it past again some immediate overhead resistances at 53.60 plus, then I think we will mount a fresh challenge on the upside. So the market has its work cut out for it. Some amount of news flow, of course positive, will help the matters along. So we look overseas to the FOMC meeting, QE3, US markets, ECB, so many things which are there. I don't see anything domestic, but a lot of, let's say, global events which might actually act as a trigger. And if any of them were to come home on the positive side, the market will still be able to find its feet.